I created this video tutorial of how to do a beach wave manicure after a few requests on the GlamrDip page. As you can see, I experimented with different styles on each hand. This comes down to the thickness of the white powder line that you apply. I personally prefer the thin line style. I hope you enjoy the tutorial, and apologies for the times the camera is not centered or in focus. This is the first time I have filmed a tutorial. Here I am preparing my dip powders, and I have sped up the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.